Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can share the access of your channel, how you can add the editor, how you can add the manager of your YouTube channel. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the YouTube and then we have to go to the YouTube studio. Now simply we have to click on this profile section, and after clicking on the profile section, simply we have to go to the YouTube studio option. So as you can see, now we have to click on the YouTube studio, and after clicking on that, now we have to go to the settings option. Let's click on the settings, and after clicking on the settings option, simply we have to go to the permissions, and after going to the permissions, as you can see, now this is the honor. Now if you want to invite someone, you have to click on the invite, and now you have to write whomever you want to invite, and after that you have to choose the access like the manager, editor limited, subtitle, editor, viewer limited, whatever you want, you have to add him, and after that you have to click on the done, and the receiver will get the invitation, and he has or she has to accept it, and after that he will get the access of your channel. So in this way you can share the access of your channel with anyone. I hope you guys understand this video. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.